In this video we go rock fishing. Let's go. Hey, Castro here. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here and you enjoy kayak fishing, rock fishing, all kinds of San Diego fishing, consider subscribing. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything. So in this video, I went out with my friend Tony to catch some salty spotted bay bass in the bay, and we're having a bad day. We weren't getting bites, so I had just gotten my new sounder. So I figured, you know what? Let's go. And all this happened before COVID. Okay, so I'm like, all right, let's just go out to the end of the jetty, see what we can find. I ended up snagging a mackerel. And I'm like, you know what? Let's just use this mackerel, cut it up for bait, and we'll go out and see if we can find some rockfish. We're out in front of Mission Bay on the kayaks. Really, what is like my first attempt at catching rockfish. I don't even know the names of some of these rockfish, so I say the wrong names while I'm catching them. But I went ahead and put the real fish ID at the bottom of the screen, so you guys can learn the rockfish names as I'm learning the rockfish name. All right, so let's jump into the video. I'll see you after. I see a little bump right here. Oh yeah, we have a little mound right here. Look at. See that? There's fish on that. So drop down. Oh, we need a nibble. Oh, I'm bit. I think I'm bit. Sorry if it's a false alarm, it feels like it's bit. You want to try with more weight? Oh yeah, I'm bit. A little red. Oh, it's a nice one. A chucklehead. Look at that guy. Nice. You gonna keep him? No. I would if I didn't have support. Look at that, yeah! Change of plans. Look at those red lips. Let him go. There he goes. He made it. Oh, I'm bit. Oh, that's a good one. There he is down right now. Okay, it's alright. Yep, that's good. Oh, that's a nice fighter. I'm good. Oh, that's a big old calico. Oh, that's a medium calico. Look at. Little calico. Little calico. Little calico. Going out. I'll measure just in case. It's about 16 and a half. Going out. Hell yeah! Oh, I'm bit. I just got bit right now. Oh, nice, dude. Okay, let it go. It's like a mix between a calico and a whitefish. Weird. It's a rockfish. Alright. Little rockfish going out. I don't know what kind of fish this is. This looks like a hybrid or something. Alright, going out. All right, that was a fun outing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you're interested in learning how to catch rockfish, I made a video with Captain Scotty over at Brothers Sport Fishing. We covered a lot of the basics that you would need to learn how to rockfish. So if you want to check that video out, I'm going to put it right here so you guys can click on that. There's also going to be a link for it in the description and in the comments below. So check that video out next and learn more about catching rockfish. So I'll see you guys next time. Woo!